In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off zoom on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and if a magnifying glass like this appears on your screen, which shows the part of the screen that is magnified, it means that you have zoom function enabled on your iPhone, and to quickly turn it off, all you have to do is just use 3 fingers, and then you need to tap using your 3 fingers at the screen. You need to do a double tap, just like that, and that's how we can activate and deactivate zoom in feature. However, guys, if you don't need this function anymore and you want to disable it completely, then you can easily do so in the settings. To do that, just open up settings. I'm going to show you from the beginning. So first off, you need to head over to settings and then accessibility. Here you will find zoom feature, and that's where we can easily turn it off, just like that. Now, even if we tap with the 3 fingers at our home screen, nothing is going to happen. It is trying to open up some app, however, it does not activate zoom feature any longer. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.